guys, it's your girl India. In today's video I'm going to show you how I maintain my curls at night, and this is the same method I use for wash and goes as well as twist out. So let's get started. This night I am using the Main Choice H2O Hydration Therapy Soothing Scalp Oil, but you can use whatever oil you like or have or best fits your scalp. And I'm just taking sections of my hair apart to get to the scalp. Then I am going to proceed with a nice scalp massage. Now, we all know that scalp massages help to stimulate hair growth, and I don't do them as often as I should, but I try to get one in before bed. And now, as you can see, I am really just using the balls of my fingers to go in to get to the scalp. You don't want to interrupt your curls, and this will also help you with volume the next day, but you'll see that a little later in the video. And I'm just going to complete the other section of my hair. Same method, apply the oil and follow with a scalp massage. And I'm always asked, how do I maintain my curls throughout the week? And it's really a simple method. I don't like long drawn out routines, especially before bed, unless I'm giving myself some type of spa night. But so if you guys are the same, give this video a like if you're into simple and easy routines. Now we are all done, and we're just going to pull all of my hair up into a very high loose ponytail. And you want to make sure that you grab all the hair. Don't leave anything behind. That one little small section, we'll get it in a second. And I'm just going to use my little elastic bow that I always use, nothing special. You can definitely use a silk scrunchie right here if you want to. And you want to make sure that all of your hair is going to the front of your head. And this is what it should be looking like. Everything nice and neat at the top of the hair. And remember, you guys, you want to keep that ponytail loose. So you don't want to do anything too tight because you'll mash your curls up. And so next, I'm just going to grab my true and faithful old silk scarf. I love this thing. And I am tying it from the back to the front because I do want my curls to hang out. And you may be wondering, well, if you're just tying the back up with the scarf and the curls are going to be out, how are the ends of your hair protected? And trust me, you'll see in just a second. So you do want to, I always pull up my scarf as far as it will go. And this is my little pineapple, guys. This is pretty much the pineapple. I use the pineapple method. And I'm just going to tie up the rest of my scarf, tuck in the extras on the side, and this is the part up next where you'll see how I actually cover my ends. So I am going to use my bonnet. I am going to put my bonnet on top of my scarf, and this is another part where you want to make sure you're not pulling on the curls or anything. You just want to tuck them softly into the bonnet, and then I tuck my bonnet down into my scarf so that it doesn't move throughout the night. And once I finish, this is what it looks like. So this is my bonnet pineapple, you guys. Looks crazy, but I promise that it works, and I am going to go to bed. All right, guys, we are back. It is the next morning, and I am going to go ahead and take my hair down. Little disclaimer, I don't know what my camera was doing, but I think I had it on some different settings, so it may look a little blurry, but you guys can still get the drift. And as you can see, my hair and my curls are still all intact, and I am going to take the bow off. And I want to leave it kind of like this because I am going to apply some oil. You guys know already this one and only argan oil treatment is my favorite finisher for my hair. And you guys know I like to use this to add extra shine. And yeah, it's great. And it keeps your hair nice, soft, and shiny. And pretty much, you guys, the next step is just to fluff. So this is a point where you fluff. You can use a pick if you want to. You can use your fingers if you want to. I'm just gonna fluff and style it to how I want it to be. If you want to change your part at this point, you can. Also, if you want to separate your curls a little bit more, you can do that. This particular day I didn't separate my curls. I would have, but I didn't because I needed it to last a little bit longer. So if you wait longer to separate your curls, they kind of last a little bit longer, but that definition is still there, as you can see. And yeah guys, I'm just gonna fluff it out into my heart's desire. Alright guys, so if you're still watching and you haven't seen the actual video of me installing this twist and curl, I'll definitely put on a card for you. I enjoyed making this video and I love giving you guys tips. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll talk to you later.